when you order the product will come in an envelope like this. And let me show you what's in it. This is the dongle, the extension cord, and this is the transmitter itself. And the transmitter, let me walk you through. Take out the box like this. This is the lightning connector, and the back is the instruction for the preset that you use to set your radio to match up the station so you can play all your music from your iPhone. At the bottom, you'll see that there's a lightning connector. There are two ports. There are two ports over here at the bottom of the transmitter. And you'll see that there's one for lightning. This is for while you charging. You can use this device while you charge the iPhone. And this is for the headphones. And this is the switch to turn it on and off, or to switch stations. And I'll show you that in a minute. And this is the extension or the dongle that come with the package. And I will show you how to use this in a second. So when you get the transmitter, it's very easy. All you have to do is just connect it to the phone. And you see that the little red light comes on. That means the transmitter has been activated and it's ready to be used. So all you have to do is connect the transmitter or the Gizmo Guy Gadget to your phone like this, and this will work for iPhone 6 all the way to the latest iPhone 13. Okay, they all come with the lightning connector like this. So this will work for iPhone 6 all the way to iPhone 13. And they all work the same way. All you do, just plug it in like this, and you'll see that little red light that comes on. That tells you the transmitter is now activated and ready to use. And let me explain what this dongle is for. So the dongle, what it does is that if you have a thick case, like an OtterBox or life-proof case, then this end of it will not be able to reach the lightning plug. So then that's when you need this. Well, this means sometimes when you plug this in, if your case is too thick, the transmitter will not be able to reach the bottom of the lightning plug. So that way, this is where this thing comes in. This thing allow you can connect this and connect it to this. So that way you can use a thick case if you want to. You can see that the red light comes on. Do it again. See the red light's off. Now we connect it back in. And now you see the red light comes on. So you can use this device like this. And just when you're done with it, just plug it, yank it out, leave it in the car. So that way you don't have to carry it with you. Or you can just kind of plug it in like this. And if you need to charge the transmitter while you're using it, this is what you do. You take the lightning plug and you plug it into the charging end of it. See that right here? And then you plug it in. So this way you can charge the phone while you use the Gizmo Guy Gadget to play your music. So you connect this, or you can do it this way if you don't have a thick case. So this is how you charge. Well, this is how you charge the iPhone while you use the Gizmo Guy Gadget to play music on your in your car. And another use is for this transmitter. Gizmo Guy Gadget also work on iPad as well. So we have an iPad mini over here, and you can just plug it in like this, and you'll work on your iPad as well. And if you have a thick case like this, because obviously you will have a case to protect your iPad, and in this case the transmitter will not be able to reach. You see that you won't be able to plug it in. You won't be able to plug this to the end of it because the light won't come on. Because you got to make sure the light's coming on for the transmitter to work. So this is where this dongle or the extension comes in handy, because then you do this, you plug this in, and you plug this to this end of it, and that's how you get it to work on your iPad, or if your iPhone has a super thick industrial case that protect it from, it's from dropping or breaking. This is how you get it to work. So this is how you work the transmitter for your iPhone and your iPad with the Gizmo Guy Gadget, and why you may or may not need this extension cord or the dongle that come with the package. So when you order the transmitter, you'll come in together in one package, the dongle as well as the transmitter together. It will come in as one package, so you can use it. So there's this transmitter come with the case, so that way you'll be able to use this on your iPhone as well as your iPad. Okay, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, walking you through the process of what walking you through what contains in my package if you order this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.